At Handyman Creative Solutions, we're here to help with all your home improvement projects around Westdale, Vista, Santa Monica, and Culver City. From plumbing repairs and drywall fixes to kitchen remodeling and bathroom renovations, we've got you covered. Need pressure washing to freshen things up or fast, reliable lock replacements? No worries. We're your friendly local handyman that can handle it. Make your home look and feel awesome again. Call for info, and let's talk about how we can help you get those home repair projects done right.